Welcome back, children. In this video we are discussing the topic addition and subtraction of measures. We are going to learn how to add and subtract the units of measures. Okay. So first we are going to learn how to add. First question, kilometer and meter. 18 kilometer 207 meter plus 9 kilometer 562 meter. So children, first we will add the meters. 7 plus 2 you have 9, 0 plus 6, 6, 2 plus 5 you have 7, okay, and then 18 plus 9. What is 18 plus 9? You have 8 plus 9 you get 17, carry 1 and you get 2. So you get 27 kilometer 769 meter. 27 kilometer 769 meter. Now meter, centimeter. Here you can see, add this, 5 and 2 you get 7, 6 plus 1 you get 7 again, 4 plus 2 you get 6 and 2, so you get 26 meter 77 centimeter. 26 meter 77 centimeter. Now coming to kilograms and grams, you can add this, 0, 5, 9 plus 6 you get 15. Here you are getting 15. Okay. So what I will do, I will write 15 over here first. Next I will add the kilograms. 8 plus 2 I get 10, carry 1, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 1 I get 60. But what can I see over here, children? It is 60 kilogram and here it is given 1550 grams. Children, we know 1000 grams. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram, right? 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So what I can do over here? I can take away 1000 from this. What will I have balance over there? When I take 1000 from this, what is the balance over there? See, I am taking away 1000. What will I get balance? I get 550. So I will take out 1000 grams. 1000 grams means what? It is 1 kilogram. That 1 kilogram I will give it to 60. So what will I get? I will get the final answer as 61 kilogram and 550 grams. So in these type of questions, if you are getting more than 1000, take the 1000 and give it to kilograms and the balance you write it with the grams. Okay. Suppose in this previous question, meter and centimeter, if you are getting more than 100 over here, take 100 from that, give it to meters, balance you can keep it for centimeters. Okay. See the next one, liters and milliliters. Add it. What do you get? 0, 5 plus 9, you get 14, carry 1, you get 840. This is less than 1000, so we don't have to do anything over here. Add this, you get 10, 30 liter, 840 milliliter. So in these type of questions, if you are getting more than 1000, what you have to do is take that 1000, give it to liters or kilograms and then keep the balance with the smaller unit. Okay. Now we will move on to subtraction of measures. Kilometer and meter. 81 kilometer 365 meter, 43 kilometer 517 meter. Here also what you are doing is we are separately adding and subtracting the units. So here I am going to subtract the meters portion. 365 minus 517. Is it possible, children? Can I do that? 365 minus 517? It's not possible. 365 is smaller than 517. What can I do over there? In addition, what did we do? From the smaller unit you gave it to the bigger unit. In subtraction, what we can do is from the bigger unit you can borrow. Here I have 81 kilometer. I will take 1 kilometer from that. 1 kilometer is how many meters? 1000 meters. That 1000 meter I will add it to this. So 81 will become 80. This will become 1365. I add the 1000 to 1365. Now you can subtract this separately. What do you get? 5 minus 7 not possible. So you borrow. This is 5, with 15, you get 8 here, 5 minus 1 you get 4, 3 minus 5 again not possible, borrow, this becomes 13, 13 minus 5 you get 8. And here 80 minus 43, you have to borrow, this becomes 10, 10 minus 3 you get 7, 7 minus 4 you get 3. So what is the answer? 37 kilometer 848 meter. 37 kilometer 848. So in subtraction you are borrowing, in addition you are giving it. Okay. Come to that question. Meter and centimeter. 5 and 48. Can you subtract? It's 0.5. We cannot do that. So what we will do? I will borrow from 48 meter. I am taking 1 meter. What is 1 meter? 100 centimeter. That 100 centimeter I will add it to this. So what I will get? 100 plus 5 I will get 105. This will become 47. Okay. Now you subtract. 5 minus 8 not possible. Borrow 0. This becomes 10. This becomes 9. Now 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 9 minus 4 you get 5. And here 7 minus 6 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So what is the answer that you are getting? 11 meter 57 centimeter. Understood? Now here in the first number you can see 22 kilogram. There is nothing with gram. So usually what should we do over there? You have to put zeros. Remember, we have told you in subtraction of decimals. So I will put 3 zeros over here. But can I subtract? No. 0 minus 400 is not possible. So what can I do over there? Here I will borrow from 22 kilogram. I will borrow 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. That 1000 I will add it to this. So this becomes 1000. And here it becomes 21. Now I will subtract. 1000 minus 400. 1000 minus 400 is 600. Yes, 10 minus 4 is 6 and you have 2 zeros. Then 21 minus 15, borrow, this becomes 6. So you get the answer as 6 kilogram 600 grams. 6 kilogram 600 grams. Understood? Now this is also a subtraction question, but it's given you in a different way. Subtract 17 liter 672 milliliter from 49 liter 309 milliliter. Is there any importance for this word from? Yes. What have you told you? The number which comes after the word from is the first number in subtraction. So your first number is 49 liter 309 milliliter. So write down liter milliliter 49 309 minus 17 672. Now here you are going to subtract this. This is 309, this is 672, which is not possible. So what we have to do in that case, children? Borrow from here. So when I borrow from here, this becomes 48. 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. That 1000 I added to this, I will get 1309. Now I can subtract. 9 minus 2, 7. 0 minus 7 not possible. Borrow. It becomes 10. 10 minus 7 you get 3. 2 minus 6 not possible. Borrow. It becomes 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Here 8 minus 7 you get 1. 4 minus 1 you get 3. So what is the answer? 31 liter 637 milliliter. So understood, children? So when you are adding, if you are getting more in the smaller unit, you will give that to the bigger unit. And when it comes to subtraction, if it is less in the smaller unit, what you have to do? Borrow from the bigger unit. Okay? So we will give you more questions when you send the notes. You can practice those questions. Understood, children? Okay? Thank you. Bye.